so you guys, I have my hair all rubber band up. It's just easier for me because I don't feel like struggling with gripping. Yeah, so basically I have 4 packs of this Jamaican twist braid. Now I like this hair because it's softer. I had this years ago in the color 99J when I went to my Jamaica trip, and I love this hair. It's very easy to work with and it does not irritate my scalp. So I have 4 packs of this, and I wanted to try something different. Now obviously if I don't like this hair, I do have more hair, but it's just a bundle. This is some synthetic hair. I've seen a lot of people using human hair. I don't have time for all that. I'm sorry, I don't. Like, I like to try to do some affordable hairstyles. So this is what this looks like. Now this is very soft. I have used a couple of their crochet hairs before, but so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start over here and do some over here. Yeah, so some things that you're gonna need for this hairstyle. I'm dropping crap. You're gonna need some clips. You're gonna need some edge control or some shine jam, whichever one that you like to use. For parting, if you do, I would suggest getting one of those mirrors, which I need. But a comb, of course. I do have a comb, so I can comb my stuff through. I like to keep all my hair supplies on the table. You're gonna need some scissors and whatever hair you like to use. Now you can use Marley twist hair. I'm just using this because this is what the girlies are using in these island twist hairstyles, and I've used this before, so I know about it. So I'm gonna grab my shine jam, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. I like this hair. Another reason I like this hair is because it's sectioned off for you already, which is such a time saver. So basically this is 2 strands right here. I just gotta decide on whether or not I'm gonna use 1 or 2 strands. Yeah, I'm looking so crusty. Mother Nature would not let me be great. That's like a pimple that I had. Yeah, I'm gonna take my shine jam right here. So that's the little piece. I'm gonna put that on standby. So basically what I'm gonna do, right, I'm gonna make this, is already 2 strands. I'm gonna use my own hair as the 3rd strand. Okay, so you see, like that, and then I'm gonna pull it tight. Okay, so I'm gonna braid that down about 4 times, right? Then I'm going to take my hair and add it. Then I'm gonna start twisting. I always go back and check to make sure that I have it on there, because if I don't, then I'm gonna have to go back. But I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And now I am going to take the curl. I'm going to put it on here. So I'm gonna separate it. I got this one out, right? And then I have this one. I'm gonna twist, twist, and then I'm gonna just start back twisting, okay? And then once I get down a bit of a ways, just to make sure that that's incorporated, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take that one, put it away like that, and then I'm gonna continue to twist. That way it's not in the way. Then I'm gonna put another twist here, because ouch, I hate when my hair is twisting like that. So depending on how this one looks, I am going to decide whether or not I'm gonna do 2 pieces of hair or just 1. And then I'm gonna just twist this all the way down. I can just cut that out, and all the way down until, because I'm supposed to twist both ends, and I didn't twist this one, but it can easily be cut out. I'm just gonna keep on twisting until I get down. This part I'm gonna just speed up because I don't want this being no extra long video. Okay, now for the end, because I want it to be a little bit curled at the end too, right? So I am going to take that. Now remember I told y'all, so I'm gonna twist this in as well, and then I'm gonna twist this one. I'm gonna twist both of them so it don't come out, and then I'm gonna keep going down. Sorry y'all, I got distracted. I'm gonna keep going down. Here we are, we're at the end, right? You want that to look like that. Okay, so there's a little piece of the Marley hair left out. You can cut that part, however I'm gonna just go back upwards with it, because I mean I'm just gonna cut it to take it down anyway. I'm gonna go upwards with it now until I don't have no more hair left, and I don't have no nail glue. If you don't have no nail glue, that's okay, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna take a little bit what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and in today's video y'all just saw me install these island twists. So it's actually been a couple of days since I installed these. I installed them a few days ago. Today is Saturday. I installed these Monday. Yes, I installed these Monday. I wore these for when I was going out of town to Las Vegas, and that Made Beauty hair, it's holding up pretty good. It has gotten tangled a little bit. I added a little bit of mousse and I did cut out the really bad parts, but this hairstyle was so convenient. I love it so much, and it really didn't even take that much time to do. I washed my hair, rubber banded my hair, and finished it all in the same day. So yeah, I don't know how many twists I have, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I like it. I will insert some pictures of how I wore it while I was there. It's not that big of a deal. I did like a side ponytail with the rest down when I went to the pool, but that braiding hair that I used, the Equal Jamaican twist braid, amazing. Like, I love that hair. It holds up so good. Like, look at that. Y'all see how good that hair is? And the less hair you use, the easier and the longer it holds up. Like, if you look at this twist, it looks more intact than this twist, which is bigger. You see how that one look a little bit raggedy? So the Made Beauty hair is synthetic hair. I wasn't finna spend a whole lot of money using a synthetic twist braid hair and unexpensive human hair to put this out, because I'm not gonna wear it that long. Now, if I would have planned on wearing it for like a month or more, then I could see so, but the way my hair set up, y'all see, is already looking a little bit, look like I had it up for like 2 weeks now. I didn't do my hair extremely tight because I knew I was gonna be putting it up, but I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, do me a huge favor, like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. I do have a few more videos coming. I got some Vegas vlogs coming, so y'all stay tuned for that. I also have a vacation prep with me video coming as well. You guys stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.